What's the meaning of broken heart? Broken heart. Broken heart.
Broken heart. Broken heart. A broken heart is often used to describe the emotional pain that someone feels after a romantic relationship has ended. It is a metaphorical way of saying that the person's heart is damaged or shattered, much like a physical heart can be in need of repair. The result of a broken heart can vary from person to person, but common feelings include sadness, depression, anxiety, and a sense of loss. It can also affect a person's physical health, leading to sleep disturbances, changes in appetite, and even physical pain. Healing from a broken heart can take time and support from loved ones.